Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dynamic Zoom in DaVinci Resolve. Dynamic Zoom is a fantastic tool for adding subtle or dramatic motion to your static shots. It allows you to create smooth push-in or push-out effects, animating the scale and position of your clips without the need for complex keyframing. You'll find this powerful feature conveniently located in the Inspector panel, under the Transform section, ready to enhance your video projects. To begin, simply select the clip you wish to enhance in your timeline. Once selected, direct your attention to the Inspector panel, typically found on the top right of your DaVinci Resolve interface. Within the Inspector, locate the Transform section. Here, you'll find a toggle switch labeled Dynamic Zoom. Click this switch to turn it on, and you'll immediately see green and red bounding boxes appear on your viewer, indicating the effect is active. Now that Dynamic Zoom is active, you'll see two distinct bounding boxes on your viewer. The green box represents the starting frame of your zoom animation, showing where the zoom begins. Conversely, the red box indicates the end frame, defining where the zoom will conclude. To customize your effect, simply click and drag the corners of these boxes. This allows you to precisely define the exact area you want to zoom into or out of, giving you full creative control. For even greater control, explore the additional options available. The Swap button is incredibly useful. With a single click, it instantly reverses the direction of your zoom, turning a push-in into a push-out, or vice versa. You can also fine-tune the animation's smoothness by adjusting the ease in and ease out parameters. For more advanced settings and presets, simply right-click directly on the viewer while Dynamic Zoom is active. This reveals a context menu with several helpful choices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.